see this a lot, particularly in law firms, is don't hang on to work. And also in the consultancies, you've got to delegate, and dare I say it, delegate. So you've got time for stuff like business development, account management calls with clients, time to work on your career. The reality is, if you just get stuck into the billable hour and always overachieving on your billable hours, then you're not going to get time to do the other stuff. The other stuff is what's going to make you stand out, because actually just doing a good job is not enough. Business development does not happen by itself. So the key thing here is to go, well, if I want to be seen to be interested and maybe do other projects, maybe do more business development, maybe talk more about what's going on with the client, do some account management, I've got to free myself up.